Hello and welcome back to Stellaris, where we are making mistakes left, right and center. And it's fun. Declared on an undefended empire, the Kepler Galactic Hegemony. As a rival. Okay. I like the idea. I want to see if I can build an entirely mechanical robot planet. It might actually be possible, but it's kind of shit anyway. Improve spaceport. Yes, nice. Yeah, we've got some research in that. We'll take it. Twax. It sounds like a quack, basically. I just realized it now that twax sounds like quack, and I like the idea of it. I think it's funny. Works for me. Rivalry. Some unidentified empires of rivaling one another. Well, guys, have fun.
Complete. Anomaly found.
Yeah, research it. And why don't you go there? We will build a robot there, and we will build a science lab there, and we have room for a lot of stuff here. Actually, you are a fully fledged civil person. I am so terribly sorry. The first chance we get, we'll give you a proper power plant to work at. Don't you agree with that? Okay, good. Have the problems with first contract protocol, peaceful, artificial intelligence services. Alright, so it's not really peaceful, it's not really liked. I can flip that, I can flip that, I can flip that. If I come, there we go, that's actually a menu. Yeah, well, guess no voting. You're right. Leader died. Scientific beacon died instead of the eye was destroyed. Ooh. I was struck by a sudden eruption of magma from the surface of Jerusalem as it was flying low. To lock on the distress signal with no survivors. Oh, that sucks. Does it also delete the... Yeah, it does. Well. That happens. Yeah. Well, I want a new science ship then. I want a lot of stuff, actually. I mostly want a lot of these mineral. Hostile fleet present. Yoda aliens. There's another hostile fleet here. Actually, there are two. These might be pirates or something. Wait, what system are we looking at here? She's just surveying here. Nobody gives a true shit. I guess. Are they attacking her? No. I'm a bit peeved that the 40% chance of failure resulted in death. Wasn't really what I had in mind. Okay, you can move here. There are 3 alien vessels. They're not. It could be worse.
Construction.
All right. Construction complete on Twax. Let's see, surface. There's a lot of upgrades we can do here as well. Yeah, well, that makes more sense. Power plant. I could build. Let's build a new one first, and we'll upgrade second. Power plant.
Science ship under attack.
Okay, so you need to build. Yeah, it's fucking. Oh Christ. Yeah, let's go there. Send in the war fleet and clear this out. I hope she goddamn survives. Would be lovely. Speaking of lovelies, I need minerals, so let's build mining station there and mining station. I thought I would have enough, but there we go. Dwack. Did I set up the upgrade here? Don't remember. No, I didn't. Oh, robots do require maintenance. We'll be fine. I'm actually gonna save up now for the tomb. I don't think we're gonna get that old, and let's see, I am growing older.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Alright, there we go. We're shooting them the fuck down. Doing quite a lot of damage, to be honest. Jesus Christ, they don't stand a chance.
Updated.
Yeah, you can go there and let's get the science ship back in action and, you know, start researching this shit. And then you can survey the entire system.
Hostile fleet engaged. Research
Which
complete.
I need to do from here. Research complete. That's a time project I don't give a shit about. That's the battle report. Ah, nice. We've got some new upgrades to our ships. Ooh, space torpedoes. Autocannons. Wow, these are expensive to research. Let's go with the armor. Alright, let's destroy this little doodad. I don't know what it is, but it is dead now. It might actually be a mining station we just fucking shut down. No, I'm actually realizing. Okay, so research this project, then research this project. Yeah, you know what? We're here, and we are staying here. Interesting. The rest of us just council bids you greetings. We provide spiritual guidance to the of it in divine mandate or set goal. Well, we cannot live in the same space, most likely. New society research. Ooh, lifespan 10 years. Monthly influence +1. Let's building planetary capital. Production targets. I like that one. I do like that one more. Faster growth of everything. Let's see. You can survey the system afterwards and then go here. We'll get the fleet there for now. But I'm going to go into ship designer and go to our cards. Because I need to edit them. I still got only mass drivers, but I did. Yeah, we got the nano armor. A bit of armor. Is this all we've got? Yeah. I will save it. Yes. Alright, that's a good start. Good. Then I need about 350 minerals to start inhabiting a new planet. Okay, you're building shit. You're passive, you're building, you're sciencing. Let's unpause! Woo! Everybody doing shit. Oh, Sentinel Point defenses. These are home-mounted counter-magic missiles, strike craft.
Complete.
I haven't encountered missiles yet, so... I mean, yeah. Barrier point defense. Tracking a point system. Oh, this is a point. This is still for missiles. Cryptic sensors.
User entered your channel.
Oh crap!
Hello. Disconnected.
Nobody heard that. I forgot I had TeamSpeak on.
Debris analyzed.
I had TeamSpeak on. I'm terribly sorry. I forgot about that. Alright, debris analyzed. Anything interesting in it? Yeah. Interesting stuff there. Okay, and... Alright, I needed 300 or did I need 200 for the... build? Colony ship is 350, so that is 2 more months. Now we're gonna build that. And then I'm gonna actually... upgrade my spaceport and go for corvettes, because that sounds like an interesting thing. New ship design. Corvettes.
Debris analyzed.
And we've got the... Wait, that's nothing new. We already have corvettes. Huh. Really? Then what would the Corvette assembly yard do? Corvette construction be... Oh! Yeah, don't want that. Not interested. Construction ship is... Okay. Colony ship. Let's build our first colony. Tropical preference. We are not really that adaptive, but we'll deal with it.
Anomaly found.
Risk failure 5%. Just research the fuck out of that one. Alright, I actually need something else. I really need another science ship. Needs a big word here. I really want another science ship. So we'll need to wait for a couple of months. I'm making way too much. Nah, I don't know. It's difficult. I really go on what we were told by Paradox themselves. They said you don't need to. Energy is more balanced. Minerals are something you want to store. I don't know. I like having lots of money. You know what? You can go home and upgrade. Massive amount of space debris which formed a dense layer around the parts of the gas giant, which appears to be wreckage from a series of space battles fought in the system millennia ago. Scavengers already scoured debris for valuable technology and artifacts, but a mining station here will be able to recycle the metal. Nice! I want a forward outpost there as soon as we can get one. Also because of Heaven's Gate, which is 5 fucking physics, it's perfect. So what do we need to build a frontier outpost? Right there. Well, nothing, apparently. We already have enough for one. And you're going home. It seems that these system jumps are really quick. Good. Now let's go to Twact. And we need 1 more month.
System survey complete.
Alright, nice. System survey complete. And then we can do another science ship. There we go. Science ship in progress. I really want this system. There's no reason why I would not want that system. Let's take a look at the map. It's weird to see the... Wait, we've got contact there? Wow, that's surprising. I must have reached them through some of my neighbors, I guess. Look at that, look at them, look at them, look at how much... Oh my god, you've got some very good systems around you. You're technologically advanced bastard. I'm running with this bullshit. Is it just me, or am I very unlucky in my neighboring systems? Murder has been fully upgraded and repaired. Nice. Now we have a lot more actual physical health. Nice. The murder is ready, and I don't know what you're doing, but you probably are passive. Alright. I don't know who built there. It wasn't us. Might be one of the species that I never bothered researching. Probably should do so now. Scientist crew to level 4. Nice. Embassy established. Well, very well. A lot of mineral heavy systems, but not really tech heavy systems. And I prefer tech, to be honest. How close are we here? 97%? Oh, we're still working on the upgrades, I guess. Waiting for the spaceport. Ah, right, yeah, okay. So the spaceport is passive.
System survey complete.
We've got a egg carrier. And let's go there and egg carrier eggs to Panthea. Yeah, this makes most sense, I guess. Our first colony, which are very expensive to run, and okay, science ship, the new. Alright, this is our old power. This is the system. Alright, survey. This is already surveyed, I guess. Survey. Oh, we found Sol, I just realized. And yeah. Unemployment, where do we go? You are alive and unemployed. That doesn't sound like fun. Well, let's build a... shit, don't have enough influence. Well, we'll clear you out. And yeah, you just need to wait till this has been cleared, and then you're good. Right, right. Okay, good, fine, good. Thank you, good.
Research complete.
And we'll go
Special
with the
project
spaceport
complete.
upgrade. Oh! Reports of deep space drones on certain systems have been investigated. The drones appear to be workers or custodians of an autonomous orbital mining operation established millennia ago, and as soon as abandoned by all but drones themselves, judging from the state of the process equipment. The drones possess powerful mining lasers and make obviously threatening, if not outright hostile, overtures towards Pelican vessels in approach. They may be all drones, but should be kept under close watch by the Blackwing tribe. Begin a mining drone analysis event. You know what? Take them apart.
Situation log updated.
Where are these mining drones that we were talking about? Mining drone analysis. Drones disassembled. Disassemble and refer them to reverse engineer a mining drone. You are really hurt, actually. After you're done, can I? No, you will really go home. Survey. Then go home to the physics research is done. Mining drone
Congratulations on
lasers.
having colonized a new world. Our colonists are now in the
Great day
process
for
of
Blackwing
building their
tribe.
first settlement,
Whee!
but it will take time for them to become self-sufficient.
We still have no rifles. That's
Construction
interesting.
complete.
Construction has been completed. And wax. Service. Build. Can't build it yet.
Ships
Go
upgraded.
there. Build
Research
a
complete.
hydroponic farm. Upgrade it, I guess. Mining network 3. And we'll build a mining network. Society research. Frontier clinics. Move the quality of life on colonists on alien worlds. Huh. Sounds like a very useful thing to have, especially since, you know... oh. Empire leader... no, I think we're good. No, there we go. Benthia, hello, hi. Colonizing a planet will cost us 8 a month. Well, we'll make quite a lot of money anyway. There's a frontier outpost, which did really increase the size of our... and I really want actually to build... Can I build a research station? On a black hole. That sounds like an awesome idea. Anomaly. Yeah, research that bitch. Scientist leveled up. Science ship. There we go. Assign leader. Recruit. Well, that sounds perfect. Less anomaly risk. Let's get you out in the world. You can... You know what? Why don't you start with this little system here? Actually, go survey there, survey there. This little chunk here, that can be all yours. For some reason, someone has towed asteroids into a stable orbit around Crimea. The massive engine suction and braking thrusters can still be found at the surface, although they have long since been rendered inoperable. However, it did as well some minor asteroid for minerals, but these operations were seemingly abandoned shortly after they had begun. Alright. Maybe some like dragging asteroids near a more preferable orbit and mine from there. Might be something along those lines, I guess. Okay. Okay. I want you to go there and build a research station. Actually, I want to also build more in... Wait, this system has never been completely surveyed. Whoops. A negative balance. Oh no. Panthea, how long are we... we're good. Twax. Surface. Let's see. Well, let's first build...
Evading hostile
Oh wait, this is already queued anyhow. Alright. Upgrade the power plants, I guess. There we
System
go.
survey complete.
Right. The system has been completely surveyed. And pounds, you're damaged, so you can go heal. Actually, before that, could you
Colony
survey the system
established.
real quick? There we go, colony, we got our monies back. And yeah, that's planetary administration. Expensive, but worth it. Alright, yeah, let's go with food, I agree with that. There we go. Complete the construction of research station in orbit. Good, good. Build a research station there, and next month we'll also increase the energy credits here. Or yeah, we'll do the energy credits here first, and then we'll do the energy credits here. Right. There we go. Mining station. That should keep you occupied. What kind of ancient mining drones and an ancient mining station? Good. Alright, so why don't you go...
Construction complete.
Survey that system real quick. I don't know where that finished, but whatever. Can I get the correct science labs already? I think I can upgrade you, actually, because this is the... Yeah. Alright. This guy is ready, present, and ready to work. Look at that guy. He's got so much energy going on. He just wants to mine that shit. Well, continue going, because I've got an upgraded mine for you. System survey complete. Very nice. Oh, there's some more tech there. And you can go there. You can go for repairs, mate. There we go. Thanks. Okay. We've got that going. Get away for a lot of money. So skill 3, skill 3.
Research
Star
complete.
fleet. Luckily, these are just the ancient mining drone systems,
Hostile
and
fleet engaged.
should not be that much of a worry, really. Aggressive, yeah, but they're ancient and they're mining drones. The mining drones were destroyed in a heated battle with Pelican vessels. As luck would have it, their energy cells are by far the sturdiest components used in their construction, and some were recovered by our ships. The technology behind these cells is beyond us at present, but initial tests show that they're quite capable of converting their output to energy credits. As final energy cell bled out, the engineers handled the test. Noticed a dip in background radiation. It would appear that the drones are not silent, but have been sporadically broadcasting at an unusual frequency since we first encountered them, possibly ever since they were first deployed. It's unlikely that there's anyone left to receive these transmissions. At any rate, the drones could prove to be potential but limited source of energy. We should be able to find and disable them efficiently if enough. Very well. Give access to the Drone Bounty Empire Edict.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Energy credits per fleet defeat is 50. Nah. Time to projects. Alright, what do we got? Nuclear missiles. Energy storage. You know what? You know what? What does this do? Ah, yeah, actually, I like that one. I like that one. Pounds is being repaired. When you're done, I want you to research that. There we go. Alright, good. And with that, I'm going to end the video. I want to thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Have a very good day. Bye-bye.